If you are looking for the perfect chatbot for dental clinics, you are in the right place at the right time. In today's video, I will show you a chatbot which I created specifically for dental clinics to improve patient experience and optimize operations. And if you are wondering who I am, my name is Benjamin Hiroš. I specialize in creating advanced automatization systems for various industries. Let's get straight to the point. This chatbot is capable of answering frequently asked questions, provide contact information, and what I added there, which I think really makes this chatbot special, is the urgent help and dental tips on dental hygiene. Let me show you what I'm talking about. As you can see, this is how the chatbot looks on the website. When you click on it, the chatbot immediately opens up with a friendly greeting ready to assist. Let's say I want to book an appointment. All I need to do is to tap the book an appointment button and the booking calendar will appear instantly. Now I can choose the time which suits me the best and I have an appointment booked. Let's go back to main menu, and now I'll show you the special feature urgent help. Let's say I woke up in the morning with some kind of urgent problem with my tooth. I will simply go to the chatbot, press urgent help, and the engine inside the software will ask me 4 questions. These questions are generated by AI to help him determine what is the probable cause of this pain. Like, first one is, where exactly does it hurt? Let's say in the back. How long have you been experiencing this pain, and is it constant or intermittent? Let's say since the morning. Do you feel pain while eating, drinking, especially hot or cold beverages, or when biting down? Let's say while eating. Are you experiencing any additional symptoms such as swelling, fever, or gum issues? Let's say fever. And now the chatbot will determine the probable cause of this pain. Now, as you can see, based on the information I provided, it has analyzed and presented the most likely cause of the pain, and it also gave me a recommendation on what to do. The second special feature which I added there is the dental tips. When I press the button, the AI engine inside this chatbot will provide me with 3 practical tips for maintaining dental hygiene, such as regular tooth cleaning using dental floss and regular dental visits. If I want 3 more, I will just again simply press the button and it will recommend me 3 more tips. Next, we have the contact information button. This contact information contains all of the essential details about the business, and if the user presses on the location, it will show them your location of the business. If they click on your email address, it will redirect them to their email provider and they can email you right away. Just a side note, this chatbot is highly customizable, so if you are looking for a chatbot like this, you can head over to my website and reach me via my chatbot or directly contact me via email. If you're ready to learn how to build a chatbot like this for yourself, hit that like button and get yourself pen and paper. I will give you all the sauce for free. Okay, so this is the actual workflow of the chatbot. I like to use VoiceFlow because it has a lot of options for wider adjustments, and if you have creative mind, you can really get yourself stuck in here for a while because it's a really great platform. So I started with welcome to our clinic. I am your assistant Lenny. I like the name of chatbots because it gives the more personal experience, so the patient doesn't have to actually talk to ones and zeros. Then how did I did the widget? It was simply by the code, pause the video and copy the exact same code, because only these 2 variables can be changed, but make sure it's the same because it won't show up. Okay, then back to my menu. Like the urgent help I did with set AI. I just use prompt and system. If you don't know what the prompt and system is, so basically the prompt is what you want from the AI, and system is from what capacity he is speaking. So I wrote him in prompt that the user has a toothache and his task is to analyze the possible cause of the pain, and in the system I wrote that he is the experienced online dentist and he's aiming to help the customer identify the type of tooth pain. Then the answer which he gave me is set to the is applied to the variable pain question, which we'll show here. And then the capture user apply is for the customer, and then again for the set AI, and via these two variables, the next set AI will determine what's the probable cause of that pain, and he will give him the solution. Next, I have the tips on dental hygiene. The first 3 I wrote by myself, but then if they want to 3 more, this is another set AI, which is from the memory. Also in the prompt I wrote what I want from him, and if they touch 3 more, it will just go straight to the back. Next we have the contact information. This is just, if you are asking how can you do the location, like when you click on that, it will show you Google Maps. You just go to the dental clinic, you highlight some words and insert a link, and it will show up here like is used here. And the last most important part is that when I now wrote something like, okay, I will show you it to you this way. This global knowledge is actually the brain behind the chatbot. I will copy it, and in the default setting is used for static, like sorry I didn't get that, please try again. When I press save and go to the actual chatbot, I run test and ask him something random like how many cars do you have, something which is not regarded to the dental clinic. The AI doesn't know how to answer to that, so sorry I didn't get that, please try again, which is not good. This look, you know, this is bad. So when we use the global match, and use generative response, we give him 4.0 because it's consuming less tokens than 4, and actually wrote the system what we want from him. So you are an assistant for dental clinic. Your task is to answer patients' questions regarding dental treatment, office hours, appointment options, pricing information. So basically this is the brain behind all the building blocks. So once again, if I go to the chatbot and ask him how many cars do you have, they will know how to answer this question. I'm here to help with any questions you have about our dental services, treatments, office hours, and appointment scheduling. So basically, if someone wants to make fun of him or wants to ask him something not regarding dental clinics, it can point it out to the services which the dental clinics provide. Okay, so basically this is the chatbot. If you want more complex of an explanation, like what I used where and why I use it, just write it down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. If you like the video, please leave a like, and also if you have any additional tips like how can I even improve the current chatbot, I will appreciate any suggestions for even upgrading this actual perfect chatbot. See you guys tomorrow.